This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now see here the last what we discussed. So we're discussing as a how to creating as a critical action as well as a critical authorizations. So that is the single one. So I have to making a so even at the point of us you can calling it this is a self risk. Yes, self transaction code. Okay, so each transaction code I have to making as a so a critical action is nothing but transaction code in GRC language. In the action you can calling as a action. Okay, so the last class you're discussing as a how I can making as a one transaction code is the critical. Okay, so after that you're discussing as a now sir I know one transaction is okay but two transactions are conflict. So how to making a two transaction codes will be conflict, then you have to making a risk. Okay, so that we have to go for a next is the critical combination. Okay, so how I can taking as a more than one object or more than one transaction I want to make a criticality. So how I can do that? So this is you can calling as a SOD is a SOD risk segregation of duties as minimum two. Even when you coming to GRC, the risk will be divided totally three types. Is a SOD risk is nothing but two or more combinations are conflict that is called the SOD risk. One is the critical action as a critical permission. Yes, critical action, recommend critical transaction code, critical permission is nothing but critical authorization object. Okay, same come now, but the GRC you have to maintain the automation, but here you can doing it, everything is a manually by using as a SUIF transaction code. Okay, so how we can making a critical object, how to making critical authorization, we go for as all the detail one by one here only. Okay, so now I'll go for as how to creating a critical combinations will be. Okay. Yeah, so please share the screen.
The same transaction for the SUI.
Hmm? Yeah, combinations also you have to go for an SUM only. Go for SUM. Go for user. User by complex criteria.
With the critical authorization.
Critical authorizations.
And the critical combination.
Select the critical combination.
So create a critical combination.
Okay, click on new entries. Enter the name dead underscore some. Give that combination of two transaction codes. Save it. No, not combination. Save it. Go for as a hard folder.
So that folder.
Okay, yeah, go for next. Click on new entries. Color indication.
Text. save. Now critical authorization.
Click on that. Click on the critical authorization. Click on new entries.
Save.
So no. Actually, previously, I think one more time. Just go back because you're not adding the 2 or more transaction. You can go back. First of all, the idea to creating after you can come back. Just go back. Cancel everything. Just go back everything.
Here.
Go back. Select the radio button, critical authorization. No, radio button, click on new entries. So click on critical authorization again. Click on new entries. Just give the C. No, already is there. No, then just take the different one. Under C, just the C. The combination. No. Z underscore basis underscore C. The critical authorizations for normal. Text.
So save. So I've just continue with that. Okay.
Yeah, click on OK.
Yes.
Select that. Critical authorization. Third folder. That is a variant. Na? Go for third folder. We go for fourth folder. Cancel it. Yes. Yes.
Third folder.
Okay, click on new entries.
Entries.
This is the authorization ID. This ID can give the combinations there. Give that. No. Take the new text. Color indication.
So here I have to choose the transaction code.
No. The transaction code is not showing. Just leave it. Putting an empty. Select the authorization ID. Critical. Click on new entries. So enter the what are the authorization object will be conflict. Enter the authorization object S underscore user underscore GR. No, that is the group name. No, give the object name. That is the group name. Group name is not required. Okay, give the field value activities.
Here is and I have to choose.
Yeah, give the and condition. Our condition you can give, and this is very difficult because of even compulsory one is very less.
So save.
No, add one more object, no, because they have two combinations.
Okay, so it's
yeah, yes underscore AGR.
This is also the activity.
Okay, even if you go for more object, also take another as a s underscore t code. No. That is not there. The field name is not there. Field name is not activity. There is a value at the browser option. Because s underscore t code, the field name is different. It's not an activity. So it's a TCD. No. The transaction code is what is the s underscore t code? That is not activity. It's a value is SU01. Transaction code, why give the 01? What is the s underscore TCD? There is a transaction code you have to give it. No? The y code of the activity, remove that. The value you providing, there is a wrong. Even just click on browser option showing you what are the values are there, showing all the details.
This is the TCT. There is a no input value is there. This is also odd.
Yeah.
Here actually the field value is not here present.
Yeah, give the value that SU01 to SU10. That is a value, no?
SU01 to SU10.
Okay, now click on save it. These are the combinations are getting for any user, anything is automatically getting it. Save it. Now you have to assign this critical. Select the second folder, critical happen. Select the variant. Z underscore basis. No, Z underscore basis C na. C na. So click on new entities.
Saturation ID. So
The authorization ID will be Z underscore critical. That's correct. Authorization ID just now creating that is a Z underscore basis C na. To authorization ID also. What's option once again? C na. You're in display mode. Click on change button. Why is not taken to this?
deleting just one ID I have to create.
No, only one. Na. That instead of that object, you have the this object will be having as a the three objects will be there. Save it.
Yes. Yes, that is it.
Save it.
Now,
Yeah, that's done. Yeah, that is everything done. Na? That is the last stage you're coming to here. Next one, go back. Now go for combination. Now select the critical combinations.
It should be the jet underscore basis.
No. You have to create a new thing. Now, how we will create it, not created. No?
Achha.
Critical combinations.
It's already actually created.
Click on new entities because inside you don't have. Maybe you can just add it inside also. No problem. Creating jet underscore based on this cuisine. So select it, start folder.
I have to save it.
Now click on OK. Start folder.
Combination.
Select it first. You have to select it. No? Click on new entities. No, that is not yes. Click on new entities. It's already there. Click on new entities.
So this is the combination ID.
Yeah, give the combination ID. That underscore CP and C. Give the C. Color. Text. Critical object. Select critical authorization. Click on new entities. Now add the authorization ID there. Enter. Select the ID. Go for combination.
This one, right? Second.
Yeah, double second one. Yes. Second one. Done. Okay. Click on new entities. Add the critical object ID also. Provide after. Save it. No, not required. That is last one file. Our second file is the last one. Save it.
Now go back.
Okay, that is done. Done. Now go back. The combinations are done. Now I wanted to prepare the report who are having this combination. What are the users? Select the user. Click on execution. So around 40 members having this combination. So select Jaydeep also have these. Go for role wise, you can check in the role wise. What kind of role will be there? Here are select display the roles. So admin Mahesh having this many roles. It is very difficult to find which role is there. I will click on any role and check it. This all transition is available only one role or is a two or more role, you can find it.
So this is the SOD conflict.
Huh?
So this is the SOD conflict.
Yes, word, yes, two. Maybe previously you have only one role having as a that action field. Now the two roles, okay. Suppose role one having as a S underscore US underscore GRP, role two having a S underscore US underscore AGR. Then conflict is there. Okay. Then showing as a that is SOD. It means two or more transaction code or two or more authorization object will be conflict. That is the SOD. Go back and you can checking also. Go for role also, check it roles, how many roles having this. Select the
One role is there. Combination, critical combination is one.
Sorry. Yeah. So this is the one to maintaining array as for the configure directly. So even you have Excel sheet, is an Excel sheet. What are the copy? You have to maintain everything manually also here directly. Suppose open your Excel sheet once again. As what the rule set what was given, just go for you can implement those also. Those will give you the transaction codes, not into authorization object. So if ask for authorization object also, then you go the given authorization objects directly you can getting the option. Then you can easily understanding. Okay, what kind of authorizations are conflict. Okay, so the transition also you can make it, but it's very difficult. Next, how to create a security policy. What is meaning of security policy?
Security policy means that how that who the
Know that.
authorization.
So the basis concern what we do, you have to know the password policy. What the password policy is there?
That how many character will be there, how many length will be there, how many character will be there, how many length for the password.
Mm. The next one.
That next one is the one that for the HANA we learned that that this combination should not be present in the password.
Yeah. Okay. How we can create the security policy and how to assign the particular user ID? So I have to now my target was so I want to know that the password policy of FSAP. So how to creating a password policy and how to assign that password policy to particular user ID. So I want to go for the detail. Okay, how we can affect it, where you have to creating. Okay, how we can set it, checking all this word detail one by one. Okay, use that transaction code set policy. Security transaction was
Is SAP policy.
hmm?
So what is the transition code name?
Sec security POL.
Achha,
So the password complicatity. So still no one is maintained this. So okay, in real time, why you want to use this is number. So I want to know the password, minimum length, maximum length. Okay, the configuration, upper cases, lower case, only login parameter. Already know this parameter. Okay, what are the passwords? I want to go for all those. Okay, click on new entries here. Click on edit mode. Display mode is just click on edit. Give the new click on new entries. Give the compulsory. The naming should be compulsory. JAR violator. JAR violator. The policy name should be Z underscore security policy. Save it. Press selected button. Set the security policy for attributes. So you have to give the what is the policy name and what are the attributes. Just click on policy the attribute. Click on again new entries. That is later. Click on you know you have to enter the policy attribute name. Browse option. It's showing as all the suppose you have password lock expiration how many days. Okay, minimum number of password, minimum number of password length. Okay, so you have to enter all the parameter. So here by default, suppose the minimum password length, what the minimum password length is there here? What the password right now, what the minimum password length?
0.
The minimum password length.
Is 6.
So default is 6. So selected that one. Give the attribute value. So if you want, just go for attribute value.
10.
Yeah, I can give you here the 6. No, is changing his letters later. Okay, by default value 6. Now you give any value effective enter. Again any other dislike taking any minimum password ID initially.
For minimum password letters also.
No, you can go for maximum. Okay, yeah. So first, what is first parameter? Check the password backlist. Selected that. Hmm. What is one? Check the password back right now is 1.
One.
Okay. Just click on browse option. What is meaning of 1? What is meaning browse option? Browse option. Attribute value, you know that. Just click on browse option. Even what the value is there. What is meaning of 1 is nothing
Forbidden password.
So negative to list. Forbidden password will be checking compulsory. 0 is nothing but deactivated. So you don't have it. So now I want to activating the password blacklist also. Yeah, selected that also. Click on one. I want to activate it. This is just one. Activating deactivation. Next one. What next parameter here?
Next
Enable the
parameter.
password login screen.
Password.
Second one. Okay. Second one. Password minimum number of this. 0. Value 0.
Minimum number of digits.
Lower cases, upper cases, yeah. Minimum value 0. Browse option. What is meaning of 0? Is nothing but no digits will be required. Okay. So what is the meaning of 0? What is the minimal maximum value?
0
Minimum
to
value
40. 0 to 40.
the 40. Okay. So if you want to change this parameter value, you can go for the object and object level. You can put in the possible values. Okay.
So we can also
Now I
change
want
it
to
through
activate
the.
that. Just make it 0. Huh?
So we can also change it through the RZ or RZ10 also.
You have to do all those in RJ10, RJ12. The values are showing. You cannot do anything. Just I want to perform that into my particular user. I want this guy is following this
It is only
policy.
for the particular user, not for the whole data.
All not it. Particular user you can present in the particular user only.
Achha.
Later you can check it. Now if you have all parameter one by one.
Okay. So
Browse option again. No. Browse option active my parameter. So totally 22 is the scroll down. You know all. You know all this. This is the login star parameter.
yes.
Want
Login
to do any
start
changes? For example, maximum underscore password underscore ideal underscore initial. What is that meaning?
validity of values.
What is the
Validity
purpose
of
of that
values.
parameter? This is also most important in the real time.
That
What is
who
that?
that person don't change the
Yeah, who
password.
are not using the initial pass still does not log in. So automatically that will be expired. So 0 is nothing but is not activated. 1 is nothing but you can activate it. Browse the value. Browse the value. No need to put 0. By default value 0. What is the meaning of 0? The limitation. Okay.
Achha.
How many days will be there? Okay.
Okay. This is the 0
You
and
have to put in between 0
consist
to
of the days.
days. 0 days is nothing but who are in a 0 days is automatically password will be effective.
Okay. So sir, what value I have to put here?
No, 0 you can put it. No need to put 0 because of the company specification. 90 days. But again, production system separate parameters are there.
Okay.
Go for production system. See again the same parameter has a production also there.
So password log session memory limit exemption. Okay.
Again, minimum value and this no additional memory, specific memory. User has specifying the memory wise. Okay, now click on save it. Above effective and below your options is an effective. Okay.
Okay. Effective. Achha. Go for the effective.
Go for it. Effective, active. Now, right now, what are the activations there? So these are the current values.
Acha.
The
This
mark
is the
was
all
which
default value, right?
your default values are provided by us.
Yes.
So even see the source is then go for source equal to not no no source. There only has source. Third column is there. What is third column here? Source effective ever equal to not equal to. Okay, plus symbol just click on result. Just click on legend. Browse option. You know the what is that meaning? Okay, it is the same value. Okay, let's go below a default parameter value. Second one. Select the second. The color indication. Second,
This one.
color indication. What is that meaning? Select it, just click on browse option, showing it. If you want to disable or enable,
There is no
it's
browse
not there.
option.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay, next one.
Next one is the disable. Repeat log on.
Not equal to, you can put it as a effective or non-effective. Even you go for as a super plus effective. No, equal to compulsory that value will be required. Equal to is nothing but compulsory that value is required. And only show is maintain the password policy. Otherwise, is not maintain the password policy.
Acha.
Next one. Go for super plus FNTs. So right now you are adding the totally 5 values, but the values are not. The value why you maintain the values are not maintained. Not save it. Okay. Now what happened? Yeah. Now you are save value, default value, default value, default value. And not do any changes.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay. Fine. Click on OK. Save it. That I already saved it. Now how to assign this to particular user ID? We go for SU01. Go for logon data.
Logon data.
No, because just the browse option assign.
Yes.
Save it. That's it. Now is following as a that security policy or not. What are the things are implemented? Is following as a that security policy can just it. Okay. That is by default.
So, sir, for we previously in the logon data it was nothing. So I can also put the 1 2 as a password also. Two value
What
also.
I'm not getting.
That means show, the logon data. The first when we are making the any user, we are making any user first time. So we didn't take any security policy for him. So, so the hello.
I'm not getting. When feeding.
Sir, when we are making new user, so at that time we did not provide any security policy to him.
No. That is up to our point only. Maybe so some of the companies are not following because of already you do this parameter change in target 10 and target 10. That is the all.
Okay, but we just choose into the security policies only the default values.
Yeah, this is a common for all parameter, all security parameter, common for all users. How to go for particular specific user ID, you can go for only that particular user ID.
Achha.
This is the individually RJ10 and RJ11. That is the overall entire this particular instance. How many members are following the password policy? Okay. So now I want to go for a particular user to assigning as a high availability. You can using security policy like you are using as a parameter and you can assign values one by one. Same like a because you know you are a basis person, then you know RJ10 RJ11. who are not working any budget and they don't know anything about, no? Then those guys are assigning come to security policy. Those are created and assigned to them.
Acha.
Simple concept. It's okay, how to assigning as a
The security policy to a particular user.
eligible security policy. I can go further, I can assign it. That's enough.
Okay.
The next one will be on the menu types. So in SAP, how many menu types are there totally? Coming to security, how total? Where you get the menu? This is the standard menu. What is the menu? Standard menu. Click on user menu.
User menu.
This is called as the user menu. What is the user menu here? In your role, okay. So in a role, what are the transaction? What are the things? It is called as the user menu.
Added is all are showing here. Okay.
That is this is not all shown. It's not showing. Your role only.
Acha.
Okay.
Okay.
The role. What are the role? In the role, what are the things you are asking that you only showing, not all.
Acha.
The role, when you create the role, you can defining as a this role menu. This is you can calling it use role menu also.
Acha.
Again, click on SAP menu, showing SAP menu.
Acha.
Now it's trying the standard
SAP
menu.
menu
Further.
means this is the standard role.
Standard menu.
Acha. Standard menu.
Standard menu. Okay. Suppose now I want to creating a one specific user menu. Even if you want to change standard menu, you can change it. So how we can change it? Go for SPRO. How to change this? Office logistic. Sir, I don't want the standard menu. I want to only finance menu will be required. Okay, I want to assigning only for the administration menu. I want to assign. I don't providing all those things. Go for SPRO. Role menu already have to go for the SPRO only. Okay. Now I have role menu already know the PFCZ. PFCZ in menu tab. What are the transaction? What are the folder? That is come to role menu. Now I want to changing the standard SAP menu. Okay, how I can change it? Go for SPRO, select the SAP reference ING,
Yeah.
and I have to go for SAP NetViewer, expand the SAP NetViewer,
SAP NetViewer.
general settings, below general settings.
General settings. Yes.
So you have to set the menu. Here our SAP menu is there. Set the coding and currencies. Current Japan time. Where is this? Where is this? Start. No, here only there. Go for application server. Application server.
Application server.
Expand it. Go for no. Expand the basic service and the system administration different. Go for go for basic services.
Basic services. Yes. No.
Address case management. The option that is using S5 for HANA or ERP system.
No, this is the S4.
You will log in now. You know that version and what system.
This one is by 400. Beautiful. And is by 400 on premise also. Hello.
Role menu tab. That's it's not showing. Click on Control F and just type in standard menu or SPR underscore transition quiz there.
SPRO.
Just creating user menu. That option here only the one option is there. That option that go for no in the administration perspective only. They're not in the other perspective. In the administration only have the option. Scroll up to go for system. No, here go for system administration. First
System
one.
administration.
Under you can check in the main menu. User. How to change the logo? No, the logo above only there. SSM underscore. Go for user and authorization. Yeah, no, here already there. Define the initial menus there. No, go for define the initial menu. Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Below. No, below. Yeah, definition of initial menu.
Okay.
Actually, for olden days, you're using some transition code. Now, currently, what the menu is going on? So, you see, what is the current? This is the current menu. SAP or the menu. Sir, I don't like this menu. I want to go for only administration menu. Click on the tree symbol is there. Just click on the flower symbol. You can search it. So all standard menus are starting with yes. So how many menus are there? These are no. Remove the 500. Yeah, more than 1800 menus are there. After this searching area, yes. Remove the 500. Click on start search. So how many menus are there here? 1900.
1932.
Are there. Our all SAP technical modules are transition with yes only. Go for S00. Click on find.
Yes, 00.
Click on Control F and just search it. S00.
Is 00. Is only is 00.
000. It is finding one again. Find. This is the material management. Again, click on find again. Click on find again.
Yes. The is 00.
You can find it again one more time. You can find it. No, you can same thing. Find one more time. Again, click on find.
Is 00, right? 000.
Yes, 000. Remove that. Such a place is now showing. Now is showing. Yes, 00. What are you? That is standard menu. Yes, 003 is nothing but a controlling menu, financial accounting menu, HR menu, logistic menu. Okay, after this, where is administration menu? I think is yes 002 will be there. Old menu also they see yes yes 00 old menu also there.
Is 002.
Administration menu required. I think that is the S002 star. No star. No. So what is that menu here? That is the system administration menu. Just putting the star is better. Getting as a remaining menu also. Yes 00 star.
Okay. So this is the is 001 is workbench.
Okay, take the S002. Now I want to. Now this is effective everywhere, not only one guy. So entire SAP who are logged in, everyone is affected.
This is the cross-client data.
Huh? Yeah, cross-client data. Workbench. That's why Workbench is there, na? If you do any changes, this is standard menu. No, I'm doing any changes. Everyone is affected. Okay, click on create. Start description. Changing the standard menu. Save it. Click on OK. Now just open a new session, check it. Now everyone is getting as a standard menu only.
No need to execute.
Yeah, click on it. Okay, open a new session. Let's see what the menu is getting here now.
Only administration.
So this is affecting to everyone, na? But I want to creating it only for user specification.
User specific.
At that time, you want to creating as one more menu, that is the area menu. Go for transaction code. SC43, SC43. How to getting as a area menu. User specification. Enter the name ZRY letter, Z_ user menu.
Create area menu.
Can create area menu. Description. Area menu for so and so. Individual user or can go for multiple.
Save.
Save it.
Save.
No, select that. Select the description. So okay, no, click on change what is the display mode. I think just click on change button. Select the menu. Now select the add the entries. Where is the add the? Just select it. Where is the entries? Inserting. You have option inserting option. I need to go for edit. Inserting or execute the session.
Execute.
No, now execution is nothing but assignment. You have assign option. Is where is the assignment option? Additional information. You can execute the transaction. Why is not after? So you have to add the transaction code. You can execute. If you add the, you have to inserting as a option. I think this is a display or change button again. But you click on change again display. Just click on display.
This is
go
the
for
display.
Yeah, now select the no. This is a change. This is the display. Now select that. Go for add the entry for the same no.
This one.
Sorry, no. Select that. Select the cursor first of all. Now add the transaction code. In this menu, what are the transaction you want to add? What are the report you want to add? Add a SSC for if you want to changing also you can changing at the description.
So I have to choose.
Yeah, if you want, just the selection ready button. If you want inserting the same checkbox is there. Checkbox is nothing but added. Again, if you want inserting more, just click on insert. No, this is that. Okay, click on save and continue. So this is the execution. Continue. Click on continue. Again, if you want to add another menu, if you want again inserting, just click on inserting. No need. Click on cancel. Now I want to assign this menu to my user ID.
Okay.
Go for SU01. Click on change. Go for default tab. Assign the start menu. Browse option. Yes, search it is very showing only 500. Click on Z_star.
Save.
No, it's not display. Here, set the same user ID. Go for user menu. User menu. Okay. This is already showing that user menu for the particular. Open the new GUI window. Assign that one. Open the new session once again. I'll log in one more time because I already have the area role menu is there. Already have log in one more time. Hmm. Why is getting this? Click on user menu. So out of this, where is your menu? Above I see that it's showing the click on other menu option, click on other menu option, other menu. Find the again it's showing a role menu. Close it. SAP menu, user menu. Down, check it where is that option maybe. Even click on controller or you can find it is better. No, it's not there. What is the transaction you're assigning from them? You can find it. No, role name is not showing. The row, what is the media menu not showing? Just showing, just type in the transition code. No entry found. What happened? Go for more option at least, or you can just checking area menu. Go for menu option, menu option, menu option. So select the user menu, role menu, display the business work layout. No, only those are displayed. Even go for SAP menu once again. It's now showing different menu, other menus. So showing different favorite is just showing different. All are different. Default tab. That is the user. It's not showing that. Okay, so no, it's not showing this. You can create a new user. SN is better. It's getting instead of create a new user ID. Hmm.
Same.
Why that options not showing the area menu? The options are not showing.
Area menu is not showing.
No, go for there once again. Go for there once again. SC43. Click on change button. Where is that? The menu is also not showing. I'm selecting. Click on display. Continue. Click on execution button. Expand that menu. No, expand that menu first of all. Where is the transition? Because the transition is not showing. That's why it's not actually. Click on change. When you go for what is showing, this we are checking, but selected, just like right click on execution. What is the color is the why the red color? What is that? No, no, not a cross symbol. So this is the refreshing the menu as a same folder, just as a transition code. Make sure this is the transition. Make sure this is the other transition. It is also different from other one. Okay, now you're getting like that. Well, we're just making it that is a that is also making menu. During adding, check the checkbox. That's why is effective. Now save it and assign to anyone. Now refresh, just log out to that user, just click on refresh. Just click on refresh the screen. Already assigned to user 40, na? User 50 you're assigning. Log in that.
Sure.
Now it's showing. Okay. Instead of without role also, I want to assign the transaction directly by using as a for the concept by using as
So
area
my
menu.
question is,
Means also I'm assigning as a sorry.
I have one question that what is the benefit for it? If I want to go to
Sorry.
delete the client, what is the benefit for the SAP menu? I can see all the
What is
menus.
the SE?
Hello.
I'm not getting your question.
My question is, what is the
What is the
benefit?
I told the benefit without role how to assigning a transaction to particular user ID. Right now I'm creating any role. Right now I'm creating any role. No, without role, what I'm doing, just creating as a
Yes.
user creation. After that, already I'm creating the role. The area menu is there. No? Just select the area menu, assigning. Automatically, what happens is execute the all transaction. Means without role creation, how to assign as a transaction to particular user ID
But it is not working, no?
by using. Sorry.
But the transaction code is not working.
So again, you have to get the permissions. Now you're not after showing that. Again, you want to get just the menu just looking while when you go for as real time, you can specify that area menu with only one guy. Even if you're not authorized, it's not but you have to specify its execution purpose, selection purpose, deletion purpose. You have to specify the detail there again.
Achha, okay. So
Designing only, don't bring in here permission. Don't just display permission menu wise. Then you have to go for each and every transaction code. I can providing as authorization update. I want to activate. Again, you have to come to.
okay. So for this one, nobody is not access this transaction code for now.
Sorry.
For now, nobody if that basis 50 guy is not cannot use that transaction code because he don't have the permission.
I don't have permission. What is that meaning?
That means that in the I'm making the basis 50 new user ID and assigning this area menu to him. But here that basis guy is not able to use that transaction code because he don't have the permission.
Not again go. I told again you have to go for as that particular authorization. You have to SV53. You can check it now. What authorization update is missing?
But I don't give any authorization to. I don't give any role for him.
No, without role, I don't go for directly. You have to go for SV24. Check the authorization update and check the update also. No, directly is getting no.
No, here my question is that
Then what I do here, if you want now, you get the yeah. Tell me.
I don't give any role to him for now. Only 5 transaction code I give.
Yeah, go for once again. You don't give the full permission. First of all, you have to create the folder. Go for again SC543. You have to execute it because you're setting you're not authorized means you not do it. Just you're providing the transaction. You not give any permissions there. Now you go for SC43. If standard transaction you're assigning, na directly you can assign it, na.
Okay.
Even even you don't have the transaction code directly, can go the transaction code directly. Actually, this take any other skin is better because of this is not showing the more options also. Okay, no problem. Let me try that one by one.
Achha, so you need one new one, right?
Just no problem. Just try that only.
Okay.
Icon is majorly is a subfolder, tail folder. The options also not available. Create a new area menu.
display area में अच्छा
Display से create a new area menu.
check user and create area menu. Correct. Add entry as here I so 10 so here
Click on insert. No need to do anything. Just click on insert.
insert.
Here you can directly execution. Now click on execution. Save it.
Save. Execute.
Like that, and just click on execution. Select the entry STMS. Select the STMS. Click on execution now. Continue. Now click on continue. Now it's open now.
So
Go back.
this is way to how to give the permission.
Not permission. This is like you said, no. How we can able to accessing. You say when execute is showing as you're not author, right? Because previous you had to check button. That's why it's not. It's coming to menu tab. You get a free transaction. Everything is getting directly.
Okay.
Go back. Go back again. Not getting again back.
Yes.
Selected that. No, execution. So again, added the menu reference as a folder. Selecting as a click on execution. It's open. No?
Okay. So if I provide this area menu to the basis, change.
Still,
Still the
that is working. Here is not working. Means you not at the submit.
so also check
No.
it.
There is working is nothing but here is working. So it's not working is nothing but adding when you're adding the menu entry, special entry, you have to do some customization using other transaction is better. Go for a ERP system, try that one because the icons are not getting properly. Just go for a ERP system, add the folder, add the just normally, just checking as all those details better. Okay.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Creating the menu, why you want to create the menu, where you have to create the menu, you can just cross checking as all these objects one by one here.
Okay.
So do that, and tomorrow you can continue with the CUA concept. How to configure the CUA. So at that time, two systems will be required. Do the one client copy, create one more client and do the client copy. As a two clients will be required to do the CUA configuration.
Yeah, sir. Here I cannot make the client copy.
The system client is there. Now try it. Let me check it whether SAP Star password pass is working or not.
No. SAP Start, they don't
Yes,
provide the
sir.
SAP Start password.
Okay. You try that. Okay.